Rene here. I have an unboxing for you today of some fun goodies that just came in. So the first one I'm going to show you is the lovely paper pack and sticker sheet. This paper line is available through the end of, gosh, I should have probably looked that up. It would probably be the end of August. If I'm wrong, I'll put something down on the bottom. Through the end of August next year, we have 2 paper lines that are staying in our core catalog, and this is one of them. It's called Lovely. This is the sticker sheet. So I'll bring it up a little bit closer. And if I'm going too fast, just there's a little cog that you can click on Facebook, or I'm sorry, on YouTube, and it will slow me down. You can also pause if you wanted to see anything closer. These are hard cardstock stickers. They are wonderful. I love these. Absolutely love these. So that's the sticker sheet. So I'll go ahead and show you. You get 2 of each of the papers. So they are double-sided. So that's paper 1. Oh, so cute. Paper 2. Oh, that is very pretty. Paper 3. Paper 4. That yellow gingham is just adorable. Paper 5. And paper 6. Oh, so pretty. And then we also have a coordinating cardstock pack that goes with it. You get 12 sheets. I'll pull those out and show you those real quick. So you get all of these, and let me pull one of the zip strips and I can tell you the names of these colors. So what we've got is the pink is Ballerina. This is our color of the year, Bluebell. This will be Toffee. This is Sage, Evergreen, and French Vanilla. The other colors that go with this line are Canary and Linen. So that is the Lovely, and you get 2 of each color. That's the Lovely line, and the next pack that's available the whole year is Party Time. And I absolutely, when I saw this, I just fell in love with it. I love the bright colors. They'll be great for birthday cards and birthday layouts. So I'll do a quick close-up of this again. Just pause if you want to see anything better. More up close. There's that. Very, very cool. And again, it's the hard cardstock stickers. This also comes with double-sided paper. You get 2 of each. So a blue and a pink. That's perfect. Then you have, again, a blue and a pink. Oh, this is fun paper. And candles. And stripes and dots. I really like that. That'll be very useful for a lot of things. I'm thinking about making birthday cards with all of this. So a blue and a pink. Oh, I love that. Oh, fun. Fun, fun. And this line also comes with coordinating cardstock. So let me grab one of these sheets. So we have the color names. Pretty sure that this top one is Nectarine, but we will double check that. Yep, that is Nectarine. This is Lemonade. That's Lagoon. That is a color that we have had. I've been with Close to My Heart for 6 years, and we have had this color the whole time. And it's so useful. I'm glad they kept it. Raspberry. And this is Flamingo. This is either Flamingo or Ballerina. And this is, let's see, what color is this? Sapphire. That's another color we've had for a long, long time that I use all the time. So that is the Party Time papers. Another paper line that we have for the year is called our wood grain paper. And I'm just loving this. I can see using a lot of this paper. So you get 2 of that one. And then 2 of that. And then we've got this one and this one. Oh, and there's one more. One more. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I lied. There's even one more. My goodness, there's a lot in this pack. How many papers do we have? Does it tell me? It didn't tell me, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So there's 12 different designs. They are double-sided, so you do end up with 2 of each page. That is beautiful. Love that. Okay, so the next thing that I was waiting for is I'm trying to finish up a bunch of Christmas cards, and I needed this little stamp. It's called Merry Christmas Trimming, and I'm really looking forward to using this. And when I'm all done, I'll do a card share for you. I do a lot of cards, so for this card design, I'm using the sheet load of cards from Call Me Crafty Al for November, and a paper pad from Hobby Lobby. So I'll show you all of that when I do my card share, and I believe I'm ending up with about 180 cards out of that design. So really excited to get those done, but this is what I have left to do. So stay tuned for that coming up soon. This is a thanks thin cut that I thought would be very handy. It cuts out the shadow and then the letters. And I thought this is going to be really pretty. I can use that on a lot of cards. So I had to pick up that die. This you've seen before. This is the November Stamp of the Month. Probably by the time you're seeing this video, it's probably not available anymore. So sorry about that. Then we've got this one I was really looking forward to. This is a stamp and die set. All the ones that are in blue have dies, and I just love the font that they used for this. I'm not sure who did that font. That's a hand-drawn font, but isn't that beautiful? And I love this. That's just stunning. And I can't wait to cut out some of these. Here are the dies. They are pretty big dies. I mean, here's my hand, so I can't wait to heat emboss some of these and then cut them out and use them on cards or on layouts, thank you cards. These would be really great to use this thanks and then put a couple of the snowflakes behind the thanks. So there's that. This is a sneak peek. This is the January Stamp of the Month. So that'll be available the month of January. With a $50 order, they cost $5, or you can just buy it straight if that's all you wanted. It's $18.95. Then this stamp and die set, I thought this was just beautiful, and the dies come for every single thing in the stamp set. It's called Florals and Flutters, and I can think of so many uses for this stamp and die set. So lots of stuff to color, watercolor, and I'm going to show you something I just got that's new. So there's your dies, whole bunch of dies. And the thing about our dies, they are already cut for you completely. You don't have to snip them. You don't have to try to get rid of rough edges. They're ready to go. Okay, so these are our new watercolor pencils. I am going to do a swatch out for you and show you what they all look like swatched out. But here are all the colors, and it does come with a brush. That's a nice brush too. So there's the different colors. So, and like I said, I'll do a swatch and then come back and share that with you later. So there is that. I picked up, these are the best value ever. You get 50 cards and envelopes, and they are really good quality. They're pre-cut, they're pre-scored. Just love these. They're the best things ever. So I'll put those, and then I wanted to show you, this is our special. And for the life of me, I can't remember what the special is called. Let me look real quick. It is called Merry Little Christmas, and this is the Tag and Ornaments bundle. So I'll go ahead and show you what you get in the bundle. And not only do you get the wood pieces, but you also get a Cricut package, SVGs, to cut these same designs out of your paper. So I think it's a really good deal because now, you know, you do have a limited amount of the tags that you get in the bundle, but you can use that Cricut file to cut more of these out of just regular cardstock. You could double up the cardstock, make them a little thicker. There's just so much you can do with the SVGs that you get to be used on the Cricut. So you get 4 of just the plain no cutout tags, 2 of each topper size or topper type. And then you get 1 of each of these 4, Joy, Tree, the Snowflake, and the Hollies. Now the thing about this is you can paint these, you can use Distress Oxide on these, you can use stickles on these, or you can go ahead and use that SVG cuts, the SVG file, that you get with this, and cut it out of any kind of paper you like. You could cut it out of glitter paper, you could cut it out of that wood grain paper, you could cut it out of so many things, just solid cardstock if you want. Then when you go to glue it down, it's going to match exactly, because it would be so difficult to cut these by hand. So those are the tags. Now let me show you the ornaments. The ornaments are so fun. They are 3D wood ornaments, but they're easily mailable if you wanted to mail these to anybody, because you can take them apart and they're flat, and then your recipient just needs to put them together. And that's it. That's as hard as it gets. Again, these are wood, so you can paint on them. You can use your markers, your alcohol markers, your regular markers, stickles, pretty much anything. Now on these, I would be careful if you're doing stickles, because you don't want it too thick to where you can't put the pieces together. But this is also included in the Cricut file. So you'll be able to cut these exact pieces out of that Cricut file and make them, again, just probably have to put together several pieces of cardstock. Now, if you have a maker, a Cricut maker, I'm not sure how thick it can cut of the balsa wood, but maybe if you cut 2 or 3 of the balsa wood pieces, and you could glue them together yourself. So you get 3 of the tree, and then let me show you the snowflake. Okay, and you get 3 of the snowflake as well, and the snowflake is the same thing. It's a 3D ornament, and there you go. That's your ornament. Isn't that pretty? I think this would be really nice with white glitter paper. That would be really pretty. And then these are the round ones. And the round ones are so intricate, so beautiful. And there you go, all put together. So, and you get 3 of those as well. So that is everything that I got in my haul. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to leave me a message down below. I will have a link to my store down in the description box, and you can click there, and this will show up on the main page when you first get in. But again, if you have any questions, just go ahead and leave me a comment down below. And I hope you're having a great day. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.